Welcome to the Gateway Workshop's Cognitive Behavioural Therapy CBT Coaching Diploma online course. This is an approved training course and will give you a deeper understanding into cognitive behavioural therapy, what this is, and how it can be used with clients for the benefit of supporting their mental health. Cognitive Behavioural Therapy, or CBT, is a wonderful talking therapy that focuses on what you think, cognitive, and what you do, behavioural, and how these are linked. It investigates how your thoughts can really have a huge impact on how you feel, and therefore how you act. This course will give you the understanding that you need to see how cognitive behavioural therapy works for use on yourself or for a client. If you want to learn all about CBT and how it can be used to support yourself and others, then this course is for you. You have a year to complete this course at your own pace from the comfort of your own home, but you can complete it much sooner if you prefer. You will have full tutor support throughout the whole course, so whilst this course is online, you will still benefit from full tutor support when you need it. You have 24-hour access to your own professional learning platform, and this makes learning flexible and convenient. We have trained thousands of satisfied students, and our experienced staff will be there every step of the way to help you complete your approved training. Train with an award-winning school. Choose the Gateway Workshop's Cognitive Behavioural Therapy CBT Coaching Diploma online course today, and we look forward to working with you. We offer massage, beauty, and spiritual courses at our venues across London and the rest of the UK, including Scotland and Ireland. And we also offer many online courses too. Gateway Workshops, the gateway to your potential.